Welcome to the English news section of Diary Times. Former Minister and National Secretary of Congress Sudhir Sharma said in a press release today that in the municipal election the BJP will have to give answers on the neglection of Dharamshala. Video halted work on complaint. Old iron bars were being used on the meeting hall of the BDC. When the matter arose, the matter reached to the administration and the work was halted. Ravinder Singh Ravi nominated as member of North Zone of Indian Railways. Counselling will be done for 22 posts of staff nurses from 22 March. Father and son accused for hooliganism. The father-son beat up the Panchayat subhead and board member together. Education Department engaged in planning for the implementation of the National Education Policy. Officers of Department of Education have been involved in planning to implement the National Education Policy in Himachal Pradesh. State caught in the trap of drugs. Shimla, the capital of Himachal Pradesh, has also been registered in 272 drug-affected districts across the country. 6 corona positive in post office. 6 employees of the post office of Gram Panchayat Bani under subdivision of Vatsar were found to be corona infected, whose reports has come out positive. National Institute of Open Schooling has opened new centers in state for on-demand examination. Now, the candidates will also be able to take exam in Mandi and Solan district. Madhurai's Jaleb in royal style. The International Shivratri festival started on Friday with Jaleb in royal style led by the princely state deity Madurai in Choti Kashi, Mandi. 4 times security companies has changed in NIT in just 2 years. Despite the National Institute of Technology Hamirpur spending over 3 crore rupees annually, the institute is in the news once again for the replacement of 4 private security companies within 2 years. Chief Minister laid the foundation stone of SP office in Mandi. The foundation stone of the new Superintendent of Police office to be built laid by Chief Minister Jairam Thakur in the morning. 5 hectares of forest wealth burned to ashes due to fire in the forest division Jogindernagar. CM Jairam Thakur said government will consider the demands of drivers. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur said that the Himachal Pradesh government would sympathetically consider the demand for the promotion of drivers. There has been a ruckus in Shimla after a woman legislator pulled a tractor during a rally organized in Haryana to protest against inflation. State governor has been given a first dose of corona vaccine. Himachal Pradesh Governor Bandaru Dattatreya took a dose of COVID vaccine at IGMC hospital in Shimla today. Weather alert in state. Snowfall is occurring in the higher reaches of the state including Kufri and Narkanda. It is raining in many areas including Shimla. There have been storms and strong winds since morning on Friday. People will welcome Chief Minister with their complaints. The 4-lane conflict committee will make the Chief Minister aware of the huge injustice done on the award given on 4-lane on 13th March in the Rehen town. Punjab's youth arrested including 5.14 gram drugs in Nainikhad. Holi Utrala Road swinging in political cradle. Road made only 17 kilometers in 43 years. On killing python case has been registered on 5 people. Police have registered a case against 5 villagers on the complaint of Forest Department for killing a python. Himachal Pradesh Board of School Education has provided the books to the schools for new academic session. The Himachal Pradesh School Education Board has provided the books to the schools for the upcoming academic session. Apart from this, 11th and 12th books and practical books have also been made available in the market. In outrage rally, public shown their anger about rising inflation. Rathore. The countdown of the BJP government has started in the state. The manner in which the anger of the public came out against the rising inflation at the outrage rally organized by the Congress party in Shimla was determined that in the year 2022, the Congress will be ruling in the state. He called the outrage rally successful. Party leaders and officials from across the state participated in the outrage rally. To refer Narendra Modi as incarnation of Lord Shiva is superstition of Suresh Bhardwaj, said Vikramaditya Singh. On the occasion of Shivratri last day, politics has took a new turn and heat after referring Prime Minister Narendra Modi as incarnation of Lord Shiva by the Urban Development and Law Minister Suresh Bhardwaj. While AAP leader Sanjay Singh has called this statement of Bhardwaj a great sin, MLA from Shimla Rural Vikramaditya Singh has also attacked on it. To get the English news in more details, please visit our website Diary Times. Till then, have a good day from Diary Times.